This is your chance to remind your loved ones how special they are by saying Happy Valentine's Day! Our dessert menu item of the day is a Breakable Chocolate Teddy Bear. A gift should always be thoughtful and memorable, just like this Breakable Chocolate Bear that is sure to make a statement for your special someone. You can fill it with all their favorite candies and prizes for something they won't forget. I even included these chocolate-covered strawberries as a sweet bonus, so be sure to keep on watching! Guys, if you want to try something new, this salted caramel flavored chocolate is absolutely amazing, so I will provide a link down in the description box below. To melt it, I'm bringing a large pot of water to a boil and removing from the heat. Place a heat-proof bowl over that with your chocolate and stir until completely smooth. It will look beautiful like this when we no longer need the pot, so set that aside and test the temperature with an infrared cooking thermometer. We want this to be tempered at 86 to 87 degrees, so I'm stirring to cool it down and checking the temperature every few minutes. Tempering is what gives a chocolate bar that snap when broken and that shiny appearance. Now that this has come to temperature, we are ready to mold. I'm using a 3-part mold because it's so simple. Just take it apart and fill the inside up to the line. It doesn't need to be exact, the line is there to guide you, but it is better to overfill than underfill. Be especially thorough when filling the ears, arms, and legs because they will snap if not coated enough. Give that a tap and press the middle layer firmly on top to evenly distribute the chocolate and repeat with the last layer. Mr. Bear needs to set for 15 minutes in the freezer. The good news is he is a one-step creation. There is no need to apply another coat of chocolate like we did for the hot cocoa bombs. After 15 minutes, carefully remove the top and middle layers little by little, then turn him over. He should pop right out. Trim off any excess chocolate around the edges with your knife, and the fun part is bringing him to life with the decorating. I cut some shapes out of fondant with cookie cutters and attached them on using a small amount of corn syrup. His ears are these super cute mini hearts, and an oval shape is the base for his nose, along with a small detail for his snout. I'm not even sure which shape to consider this, but I found it in my cookie cutter collection. His belly was made with a circle shape, and to dress him up, I made a bow tie from red fondant and eyes from black fondant. He looks so fabulous! Let's make our chocolate-covered strawberries to complete the treat box. Wash and dry your strawberries really well. It is very important to do this right before melting the chocolate. If it is done too far in advance, your strawberries will be mushy later on. I melted and tempered the chocolate the same way as we did for Mr. Bear. My tips and tricks are to put your chocolate into a mug and dip your strawberries in there. It is much easier to get an even coat of chocolate this way rather than using a shallow bowl. And if you noticed, I inserted a toothpick into the center of the berry instead of holding from the stem. It is best to avoid double dipping for a smooth surface, so once coated to your liking, gently shake it off and allow them to dry on parchment paper. My favorite is the drizzling. There is no need to retemper the chocolate, just load into a pastry bag and snip off the corner. Squeeze using even pressure and make tight motions back and forth. You can top with your favorite sprinkles while the chocolate is wet. These are Valentine nonpareils, and I also applied heart sprinkles onto some plain berries too. I can't wait to put our treat box together. I just wanted to show you what properly tempered chocolate looks and sounds like. Just look at the coating. First, I am taking this box I made and lining the bottom with shredded crinkle paper. Here I have a combination of pink and gold metallic. Don't forget your prizes and candies. These are gummy bears, marshmallows, red M&Ms, and chocolate kisses. You can either place them where your bear is going or fill him and flip him over like so. Stuff him as much as you want and add the strawberries to the box with your mallet. He was too cute to break, so I made a plain one to show you guys the piñata. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below your favorite candy, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.